Tactical Support Bureau took over. These officers have unmarked police vehicles, and they are also equipped with a vehicle mobilization device known as a grappler. The grappler has been in use with the Phoenix Police Department since 2019. This device is deployed onto the back end of a vehicle failing to stop, and it disables the rear axle. This slows the vehicle down, causing it to come to a complete stop. The grappler is another tool used to minimize the dangers to motorists and officers while encountering dangerous suspects.
I got it, Birds, I got it. Put the gun down! Put it down! Show me your hands! Hands! Put your hands in the air, stud! Nope. Put your hands in the air. Put the gun down! Put it down, dude. Drop the gun. Let it go. Let it go. Push the gun down so we can help you. Push the gun down so we can help you.
Once activated, the body-worn camera of the shooting officer captures the approach to the suspect.
He's still got the gun in his hand. Drop it! Put your gun down. Hey, give me a panel up here. No. Yeah, I'm getting down since you got him. No, I can't see you going. Mikey, we're moving around to the passenger side to try and work it from there. You got a shield spike? Or take that window. Yeah, take the window. See my procedure on the passenger window.
Officers safely removed the shotgun from the suspect's lap.
It's just laying across his lap and he's not holding it. I can go for it, dude. Yep, go ahead. Yep. Alright. Hey, guns out. Push up.
After the suspect was no longer armed, he was removed from the vehicle and officers began medical aid.
No, just
Phoenix fire personnel arrived and transported the suspect to a nearby hospital in critical condition.
I got a second one coming.
The suspect was identified as 34-year-old Dustin E. Weaver. He remains hospitalized.